In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos to Trello cards. If you've ever wanted to streamline your workflow by integrating media directly into your Trello cards, you're in the right place. We're going to take you through this process step by step to ensure that by the end of this guide, you feel confident tackling this task on your own. First things first, let's head over to Trello. If you're not already familiar, Trello is a fantastic tool that helps you manage and organize projects using boards and cards, ideal for individual use or for collaborating with team members. So, go ahead and open your preferred web browser and navigate to Trello's website. You'll need to log into your account before you begin. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free using various options like email, Google account, or even through other integrations available during the sign-in process. Once you've logged into Trello, you'll want to locate the specific Trello card to which you intend to add a video. Trello organizes information within boards, so finding the right card might involve clicking through a couple of boards you've set up. If you're working with a team, you might navigate through shared boards. When you've found the right card, go ahead and open it. You'll notice different sections within the card, such as description, comments, and attachments, each serving distinct purposes. Focus on the description field for our task today. This is where you have the opportunity to add and elaborate on details pertaining to the card, making it an excellent section for integrating videos. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the description field. You'll notice a small paperclip icon. This is your gateway to attaching videos directly from your device. Click on it, and you'll see various attachment options. You can upload a video file directly from your computer, or if you're managing media stored on cloud services, Trello allows seamless integration by linking to platforms like Google Drive. If your video is hosted online, there's another efficient method you can use. Right next to the paperclip icon, you'll find the hyperlink icon. This allows you to paste a URL link directly into the description, effectively embedding the video into your Trello card. This method is particularly useful if you're sharing videos hosted on websites like YouTube or Vimeo. And there you have it. Your video is now part of the Trello card, making it easily accessible for you or your team members to view anytime. Incorporating videos into your Trello workflow can greatly enhance the way you communicate and document information, making projects more dynamic and engaging. By following these instructions, you're now equipped to enrich your Trello cards with visual content, ultimately improving your project's productivity and collaborative efforts. Thanks for joining me today.